Maddie and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviving my curls. I have been wearing my hair straightened out for a while now and I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of flat ironing my hair. So in today's video, we're going to be bringing back the curls. So I'm going to be curling it up with you all today, and all the products that I'm using will be from Cantu. So I'm just going to share with you all the products that I will be using in today's video once I go wash my hair and also after I wash my hair. And I will also be sharing with you all the finished result of everything that I am using. So if y'all would like to curl it up with me, please stay tuned and continue watching. So to wash my hair, I will be using the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Conditioner. I purchased this from Amazon for $4.99, and this is just going to hydrate my hair and bring my curls back as well. This will add in that moisture that I'm taking out as I wash my hair, and that I also took out all that time that I spent flat ironing and blow drying my hair to get this particular look here. Now there are two products in this video that I have previously used before, and that happens to be this, and this is the Cantu Avocado Curl Activator Cream. And for me, this works like magic. This brings back all of my curls and it adds in all the moisture that I have been missing. So I would definitely recommend picking this up at your local CVS because that is where I got this from. But I'll also leave an Amazon link down below if I can find one. Also, I will be using the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curling Cream, and this is also going to help with curling my hair up as well. The avocado in here should also help, and this is just going to bring back the curls for the girls, okay? Now there are two newer products that I purchased on Amazon since I've been in quarantine that I decided to try out in today's video. I got the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. Now this particular product I've never tried before, and it is actually quite liquidy. Let me try to open this, okay? Now I am not sure if it is supposed to be like this. I really don't want to waste it, but it is, yeah. Y'all can see it moving around up in there. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be or if it just melted on its way to me. Who knows? But I will also be putting some of this in my hair, and this is going to add in some moisture as well and revive the curls, okay? I don't know how many times I'm gonna say curls in this video, but this video is all about reviving the curls with Cantu. And then this is also new. I bought the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. Now this is actually a really big size, so this should last me for a while in between me straightening my hair and then going back to curls. Obviously I don't have to use this when my hair is straight, so this should last me for a little minute. Who knows though? I am very generous when it comes to putting stuff in my hair, so we shall see. So let's go ahead and get right to me doing my hair and fixing it up for you all and bringing back those curls. And also get a slight little review of all these products. Please continue watching and I hope that you definitely enjoy the video. This Cantu Hydrating Curl Activator Cream definitely hydrated my hair and brought back the curls that I love so much. This product definitely lives up to its name. The Avocado Hydrating Curling Cream also helped to hydrate my hair, and it also helped to enhance my curls even more. The shea butter and mango butter in this definitely moisturized my hair and helped to make my hair more frizz-free as well. This coconut curling cream definitely made my hair extremely soft, and I will be getting a lot of use out of this because as you all can see, this is a huge container, so I'll be working with this for a while. But so far, so good, and once again, like I said, my hair is extremely soft and hydrated. This Define and Shine Custard is said to make the driest curls defined and healthy. And I have to say that I definitely agree. This defined my curls even more, and it made them pop out a little bit more than what they already were. So do I recommend this product? Oh yes, I definitely do. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one.